AI chatbot encryption, Flaw exposes user conversations to hackers. A critical vulnerability in popular AI chatbots allows hackers to intercept messages despite encryption, raising serious privacy concerns. Cybersecurity researchers at Microsoft have discovered a method dubbed whisper leak that exploits metadata to infer the content of conversations between users and large language models, LLMs. This means sensitive discussions could be monitored without directly breaking encryption. How the attack works. The whisper leak attack is a sophisticated, man-in-the-middle exploit. Instead of decrypting the actual message content, hackers intercept and analyze the metadata associated with LLM communications. Metadata includes details like packet size and timing, which, when analyzed correctly, can reveal patterns that suggest the topic of the conversation. The key is predictability. LLMs generate responses based on prompts, resulting in consistent token lengths and response timings. By observing these patterns, researchers were able to reconstruct plausible sentences from the encrypted data without ever bypassing the encryption itself. This technique is a refined version of surveillance methods used by governments, such as the UK's Investigatory Powers Act, which infers content from metadata without directly reading messages. Industry response. A mixed bag. Microsoft and OpenAI, the developer of ChatGPT, were informed of the vulnerability in June 2025 and have since taken steps to assess the risk and implement fixes. However, not all LLM providers have responded similarly. Some declined to apply patches, while others did not respond at all. The researchers intentionally withheld the names of non-responsive platforms to avoid public shaming, but confirmed that the flaw remains unaddressed on several services. LLMs are a goldmine of information, says cybersecurity analyst Dave Lear. People put everything into them, including medical data, as hospitals start using them. It was inevitable that someone would find a way to exfiltrate that information. Why this matters. The vulnerability highlights a fundamental weakness in how LLMs are currently deployed. While end-to-end encryption protects the content of messages, metadata remains a potential leak. The implications are significant, especially as LLMs become increasingly integrated into sensitive areas like healthcare, finance, and legal services. Governments or malicious actors could exploit this flaw to identify users discussing specific topics, such as money laundering or political dissent, even if the communications are encrypted. This undermines the very notion of private conversations with AI assistants. Mitigation and protection. LLM providers can implement several countermeasures. Random padding. Adding random bytes to responses to distort packet sizes and make metadata analysis less accurate. Variable response lengths. Introducing unpredictability in the length of generated responses to disrupt pattern recognition. Enhanced encryption protocols. Exploring more secure communication methods that minimize metadata leakage. For users, the immediate recommendation is caution. Avoid discussing sensitive topics on untrusted networks and verify whether your LLM provider has implemented mitigations. Using a virtual private network, VPN, can provide an additional layer of protection by obfuscating your identity and location. The whisper leak flaw underscores the ongoing tension between AI innovation and security. While LLMs offer incredible potential, their vulnerabilities expose users to real-world risks that demand immediate attention from both providers and individuals.